How to disable personalized ads on Realme Narzo 50A. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and to disable personalized ads on your Realme Narzo 50A, you need to tweak a few settings related to ad services and users data. Here's a step-by-step guide. So you need to turn off ad personalization. This reduces ads based on your interest. For that, go to settings, scroll down. Now navigate to Google. Navigate to all services. Here you need to scroll down. Tap on Ads. And you simply need to toggle on Opt out of ads personalization. Since currently there is no such option, but if you find, you can turn on it. You can even limit data collection for ads. Realme UI may use your data for recommendations. For that, you need to head to the settings. Navigate to privacy. Look for the option of privacy, and you simply need to find out users and diagnostic and turn it off to stop sending users data to Google. Also, you can disable hot apps and hot games. Simply you need to long press the home screen and go to the home settings. You simply need to find out hot apps and hot games and disable all these apps and games. With this, you will successfully disable personalized ads on Realme Narzo 50A. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment.